Good morning, everyone. Today, we are members of your tourism club is here, and I'm very excited to talk about a creative and a thoughtful activity, which is known as cooking without fire. Cooking without fire. If you think about it, we can't just say without fire, cooking can't be possible. But what if I say it is possible? Yes, in the world, there are many dishes which can be made up without using fire, and they are very healthy, innovative, and very thoughtful, and they can be made safely without using heat. And this activity is not just about cooking, it's about learning, creating new things, innovating, and it teaches us to prepare nutritious meal with simple nutritious food, like by mixing, blending, chopping, and assembling them. Now, I want to call Sanjana to talk about this more.
Cooking without fire also develops life skill. It improves our planning, teamwork, and presentation abilities. Since no heat is involved, it is completely safe for children and beginners, making it a fun and educational experience for all ages. Some example of such recipes include sandwich, fruit salad, smoothies, spout charts, and cold desserts. These dishes are not only easy to prepare, but also packed with vitamins and minerals that keep our body healthy. In conclusion, cooking without fire is a wonderful way to explore the world of food in a safe, healthy, and creative manner. So let us enjoy this activity, learn something new, and of course, taste the delicious results. Thank you.
What have you made this?
Sprout salad.
It's a sprout salad.
Yes, ma'am.
So can you give me some nutritional value of this? Can you
Low
suggest?
calorie dish.
Yes.
We usually use tomatoes,
Yes.
ram, peanuts, peanuts,
Okay. Fine.
coriander, tomato, capsicum. It's a veggies.
Is a healthy breakfast?
Yes, ma'am.
It's usually used in breakfast. I hope so.
Yes, ma'am. This
Okay. And what is this?
sandwich. It's a healthy drink. Healthy.
No, this one I'm asking about.
This is sandwich.
It's a sandwich made of
Made of veggies in mayonnaise and cheese. Butter, cheese, oregano, chili flakes, and cucumber.
Is it a junk food or a fast food? Is it a junk food or a fast food?
Fast food.
Good.
You taste, we have tasted.
Ma'am, you can taste this.
Isn't ma'am like mine?
Our Tourism Club, and today we are excited to represent a fun and fusion dessert and bhel puri. We use the ingredients for chocolate dessert is that Oreo biscuit and milk, coconut powder, and mold for the and chocolate, melted chocolate, and we use for ingredients for the bhel puri: chips, puffed rice, chili, black salt, white salt, and coriander for, and I so thank you for using it. So please taste it. Spoon give me.
Have you made this bhel puri?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know what is this called? This white color?
Puffed rice.
Good. Is it a healthy meal? Is it a healthy meal?
Yeah.
How can you say is it a healthy meal?
Because in it there is no oil, no presence of fat, and it is light and healthy. Tasty way.
अच्छा वो था सब हम रखे बाद में खाएंगे साफ करो यार सब गिर रहा है साफ रखो dusting.
And what is this? Is it a cake?
No, ma'am.
Dessert?
Yeah.
Made of
Oreo biscuit
Oreo biscuit.
and chocolate.
Ma'am, please have a test.
I had a
Ma'am, please use spoon. Please.
वो कैसे स्कूल से टूटेगा?
Don't you think that your chocolate ball has melted?
But it is not there. Can I explain? Good morning.
Your balls has been made totally of chocolate, or have you some more ingredients are there?
Milk, condensed milk. Condensed milk.
Condensed milk. The condensed milk. Okay.
Good morning, teachers, judges, and my fellows and food lovers. Today we are on mission, delicious mission. We have made various types of dessert without fire. We are proving that we don't need fire to set hearts and food birds on fire. Our first hero is milk cake, which is ready to melt in your mouth.
How did you make this?
We have take Britannia cake and milk, and we have decorated with dry fruits and soft touch of cardamom, because without cardamom.
Did you use any condensed milk over here? Condensed milk? Is it?
Next is our chocolate balls, balls of happiness. We have take biscuits, Oreo biscuits, and crush them and mix it with condensed milk. Then we have make little cute ball, and then we have decorated with sprinkles and gems balls. Next is our cafe style cold coffee. We have taken milk, then instant coffee and sugar, and we have mixed them until it become frothy and creamy, and then it's ready. We have also mixed ice in it. You can test.
How will taste it? Taste this one.
I'll not taste this because it is too rich.
यहाँ पर
Sweta ma'am will be testing.
ना बोलिए प्लीज दिल के लाना है दिल के लाना
You can try cold coffee. So what is the menu for today?
What, ma'am?
What is the menu?
Ma'am, this is Oreo sweets and milk and chocolate.
How did you make this?
Ma'am, first we take out the all cream of Oreo, and then we will mix it, and then all Oreo biscuit crush and mix with milk, and then we prepare it.
And what have you made this?
No what?
Cold coffee. Is it a cold coffee?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, we milk and coffee. Yes, ma'am, cold coffee.
Is it a shake? Is it a shake?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think it is healthy?
Yes, ma'am, healthy.
How?
Ma'am, we don't have any junk foods in it.
Chocolate itself is having a lot of calories, a lot of sugar.
Fast food and this one is healthy.
He writes the name. He writes
Okay.
all.
Achal ma'am or Sweta ma'am, please taste it. Please.
Ma'am, ये तो खाइए.
What is there in your menu?
Yes, ma'am.
Sprout salad, Oreo shake, crazy nachos and pani puri.
Yes, healthy pani puri.
All healthy meals.
Yes.
But somewhere I find it's not there. What is this called? In English?
Water balls.
Yes, absolutely correct. Thank you. Crazy nachos. Crazy nachos.
This one is onion.
How have you made this?
Ma'am, to make this filling, we add some veggies, spices, and sauces.
Did you add some cheese or curd?
Veggies,
No, you have add something more, na? White color. What it is?
mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise. Okay.
Cold coffee पी लो. Ma'am. सदा मैम कोल्ड कॉफी.
जी मैम, हाँ ये देखिए कैसा लग रहा है मैम. थैंक यू.
Is this a sandwich? Is this a sandwich?
Yes.
Made out of?
Bread, cheese, onion, tomato, chili.
You could have made this sandwich by using brown bread. That would be a healthier option.
That is no, that is white. That is not this.
This is a white bread. This is a white bread.
On first time we serve brown bread, but all moments
Next time, yeah.
after that we change. Second time they have prepared this
because we have not enough brown bread.
Okay.
Because Ashil ma'am and Sweta ma'am had so many pictures have been tested.
All the sandwiches finished.
You must have purchased these things yesterday only, no? The ingredients you purchased yesterday.
वही बन रहा है.
We had this white bread in our
Okay. You made with the ingredients which was available with you, right?
which was available with us.
Okay. So what have you filled inside the bread?
Tomato.
Some cheese like asparagus and this carrot, tomato.
Can you call this fast food or a junk food? What it is?
A mixture of both fast food and because
No, I don't think it is a mixture of both. According to you, what it is?
I think it's a mixture of both because like it has
This is not the way.
so according to you, how is it? What
Fine.
can we call it? A veg or non-veg food? Like fast food?
It is totally a veg, but a fast food mixed with veggies.
Veggie, yeah.
What have you made this?
Believe in yourself and stick to a healthy diet. Trust me, your body will thank you later. Namaskar, this is Sanjana Singh with my team members.
Priyanshi Yadav.
And we are the student of 9th B and the member of Yuva Tourism Group. We all have participated in Cooking Without Fire competition organized on 13th of August 2025. We all are here to represent our recipes that we have cooked without using even a single source of energy. Cooking without fire, also known as fireless cooking, refers to preparing dishes without using heat energy like gas stove and fire. To cook under the same criteria, we have used methods like mixing, spreading and assembling ingredients to prepare such dishes. To explain these dishes, here's Priyanshi.
Now, our first is cold coffee. Our first is cold coffee. For preparing this drink, we have used ice, milk, coffee, and chocolate syrup. And our second drink is mint mojito. For preparing this drink, we have used mint, lemon, cold drink, and ice. And our third is yogurt sandwich. Yogurt is also known as curd. For preparing this dish, we have used onion, tomato, chili, and yogurt.
Which one is?
And fourth one is that we can use it as diet. That is salad.
Cucumber salad. After that,
This teamwork promotes healthy eating and show how creatively we can prepare dishes without using energy and by using only raw materials. And empathizing presentation, taste, and nutrition value without wasting much time. We hope you all like it. Thank you.
You said that without using your energy, you prepared this, right?
Without using energy like wind energy, heat energy.
What is the benefit of curd for your health?
Curd contains acid and also vitamins like vitamin C.
Good bacteria are present in curd, which help our body.
Curd contains lactic acid that is very useful for our brain, making it calm
And it also benefits the digestive system. It is also means a useful ingredient.
Does it improve your digestive system?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it good for your gut health? Is it good for your gut health?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please.
Please taste it. Cold coffee. Mint हो जाएगा.
Mint mojito and cold coffee. Very good.
Sure. Ma'am, cold coffee. Thank you, ma'am.
Without fire, we put all our efforts, time and love to making this. First we have a Janzi bhel which we made with some modern twists and added some spices that made my grandmother and some packets of Lay's and Namkeen. This is Mojito, soft drink. We made this with sugar syrup. Sugar syrup we made at home with leaf mint, sugar and water. We also add some crushed mint. Again, the pastry. The pastry we have made with a bread, whipped cream, and a chocolate, and we garnish it with
Is this a pastry?
gems and sugar syrup.
Why is your pastry so like watery type of? It's so watery.
We have added chocolate syrup in it and it is melted chocolate for decorating. Not for that for decorating we have melted chocolate.
So you made this pastry. What did you use for making the pastry?
We use bread, lots of cream and we also take care of the hygiene and we have added some chocolate decorated and Hershey syrup for the...
So it's a high calorie diet, that means.
No, not high calorie because we have prepared by our own self and got bread. So that one is for principal sir because he is a diabetic patient. So we have added less sugar in that pastry and this for which is for nutrition.
Also, you made it for principal, sir, by adding less sugar.
Yes.
So if you wanted to have this pastry to be sweet, so you could have used some other option instead of sugar.
We have added sugar-free vanilla.
Sugar-free, you have added. What have you made this?
We have made a Janzi bhel with a modern twist. We added the spices.
Is this a bhel puri?
Not a bhel puri, but a
Type of.
bhel.
Type of.
Type of bhel.
So I hope a lot of veggies are mixed in it. Because usually chips and all are fast food. It comes in the category of fast food.
Please have a taste.
Does not work.
Thank you, ma'am.
as compared to others.
This one. One more poster.
Straw दूसरा दो.
I am Shraddha Patel.
I am Suryanshu Rai.
I am Astha Gupta.
I am Shivangi Patel.
And I am Samya Sheikh.
And we all are the member of gastronomy team.
Firstly, I will explain you about our team's name. Our team name is Gastronomy Team, which means we have totally focused on our hygiene, fitness and taste too. These are our unique dishes, that is rasmalai and sandwich. It is unique because we have used curd in sandwich and we have used bread for making rasmalai. That is our unique dish.
Ma'am, you can taste from knife. And ma'am, this is a
What
bhel
is
puri.
coated on the top of the bread?
Ma'am, curd, sauce. For decorating, we use onion. ठीक है, bhel puris.
What is the combination between sauce and curd?
Ma'am, it is a combination of dahi bada. You taste. It's very that's it. Ma'am, this is a bhel puri, a street food of Madhya Pradesh.
That is sweet balls. We have used different kinds of biscuits as well, just like chocolate biscuit and orange biscuit. We have a filling of orange biscuit in it, and we have used mixture of almonds and cashew for garnishing it. And this is our last dish, dessert.
Dessert, it's a desert.
Onion, coconut laddu. You can taste, ma'am. These all.
And what is this?
Bhel puri.
It's bhel puri, but
Yes,
I don't
ma'am.
find any puffed rice over here.
Ma'am, it is new kind of bhel puri. We have used.
Usually made of chips.
Yes, ma'am.
Usually made of chips. The bhel puris are very good for our health. Is it good for our health?
Ma'am, bhel puri.
It tastes well,
Yes, ma'am.
but not good for the health.
But ma'am, we have used.
You could have used puffed rice. You could have mixed up with the chips. But the healthy option, right? 50-50 average.
Yes, ma'am.
But this you have made it totally with the
Taste.
junk food, chips, right?
No, ma'am, it's not junk food.
Yeah, it is.
Ma'am, sometimes chips.
The vegetables quantity is not here in a good amount, right? So it's okay, fine.
Ma'am, wo.
So
मैम सेंटर से लीजिए डिजर्ट कोकोनट लड्डू यस मैम हाँ No, ma'am, boba tea. It is unique one. Boba tea. Yes, ma'am. Sir, luwak tea.
सैंडविच को बहुत ज्यादा मीठा कर दिया।
Ma'am, it is a drink of Japanese and Korean dish. That's it.
इधर बस में कोकोनट ही लग रहा है। ये अच्छा है, स्लाइस भी। बहुत ज्यादा स्वीट भी है, बहुत ज्यादा मीठा भी है।
Or said this is a unique. That's why because rasmalai can't be made without fire, but we have made it without fire. With the help of bread.
Quantity is very balanced, accurate.
Have it. This is boba tea. That is unique. It is.
You have mixed up Oreo biscuit and
Orange biscuit.
the flavor is totally of orange.
Because ma'am, the main filling is orange. That's why. Inner filling is orange.
And we use Oreo biscuit for only decorating.
Just taste that one.
Designers. So who are the designers here?
We all.
Give me your introduction.
Good morning, all of you. Good afternoon, all of you. We are delicious designers here to present our fireless cooking creations. We believe that good food does not need fire; it needed creativity, teamwork, and love. Thank you.
So you have made a sandwich.
Yes, ma'am.
Why didn't you use brown bread instead of white bread?
Brown bread, ma'am. Because in white bread we can show all the. White bread is good for sandwich.
No, it's not that. Brown bread is also good for sandwich. You wanted to make sandwich, right? Basically, the ingredients which are used in sandwich is veggies, right? It's veggies. And this same thing can be used in brown bread also, which is very good for your health. Okay, fine. And what have you made this too?
This is
It's in two plates. Choco balls.
chocolate balls.
Chocolate balls. Does it look like chocolate balls?
Ma'am, all are doing like ball shape, so we are doing that unique.
In a
shape.
biscuit shape.
Unique shape, yes.
Unique shape named biscuit shape. And is this a cold coffee?
Yes, ma'am. But you
So
are.
how did you make this?
We are making it by coffee powder, sugar powder, ice cubes, and Hershey syrup also. We are.
So serve our jury members. Serve it.
Ma'am, knife is there. Cut from knife and there. You can eat easily. ज़्यादा इंग्लिश नहीं आती. Ma'am, this is really sandwich. Ma'am,
Good morning and hello all the honorable judges. Today I would like to talk about the fascinating topic that combines creativity, sustainability and innovation, that is cooking without fire. Now I would like to call Anuj Sharma to represent our dishes.
I am the member of this group, Chili Sizzlers. I am Anuj Karma. I am going to represent you 3 dishes we have made it by ourselves without using fire. This is chocolate laddu. This is made up of very common biscuit called Mary biscuit and condensed milk and some powder of coconut. This is mojito shots. These are made up of lemon, pudina leaves and some other spices. And this is our lace pale. We have made it by using chips or lace chips and some vegetables like onion, tomato and green chilies, and we have used a sauce for our decoration. That's all we have. Now you can taste and decide.
Which biscuit did you use?
Marigold.
Marigold. And on the topping, what is there? Is it a desiccated coconut?
Syrup. Yes.
Is it desiccated coconut?
Yes.
And for the sweetener, what did you use?
Condensed milk.
Condensed milk. Do you think it is a low-calorie diet? Low-calorie.
It is not low calorie because if we have used condensed milk, it is high in calories.
Yes. But somehow we'll test it.
I won't decide.
I'll give it to sir.
So how's it? Yes.
So you need to taste. And what have you prepared? What have you prepared?
Mojito shots.
Okay.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vishad, and I am team. We are team. We are making sandwich, choco balls, and mojito. Ma'am, please taste.
Your feelings, which you have filled in the bread, and the stuffing, which is in the bread. So, what is the stuffing made of? Abu Saad, the stuffing. You have mixed up it with what? Butter. You have used butter or mayonnaise.
Ma'am,
Cheese.
mayonnaise, chili sauce, Szechuan,
Chili sauce and Szechuan sauce. Both chili sauce and
Szechuan.
Szechuan what? Chutney. Chutney.
Yes, ma'am.
You have used the chutney.
And,
Both are. If you have used that Szechuan chutney, you should not use chili sauce. है ना? So you made a.
yeah, halka sa.
Okay. And what is this? White in color? What is this?
Ma'am, mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Ma'am, please taste.
This it's a
सुनिए ये बताइए
ये गया इनका कुछ भी नहीं अबू साथ का
देखिए ये हम
हटाइए।
छोड़िए टेबल नंबर 5 शिफा वाला था
कौन सा टेबल पर
Onion and tomato.
उसका जो लेस चाट का वो एकदम
बस हो चुका था खत्म हो गया
वही तो मुझे सबका अच्छा लगा था
Mojito.
आउट ऑफ 10 बताइए
6 सवाल जवाब यही कर रहे हैं